In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily duplicate a page in WordPress. Duplicating a page is a great way to reuse a layout you already love, keep your branding consistent, and save time rebuilding blocks from scratch. We'll do everything right inside the WordPress editor, so you won't need any plugins. First, sign into your WordPress dashboard and open the editor, sometimes labeled Site Editor under Appearance. When it loads, you'll see a live preview of your site with a sidebar or navigation panel you can open. From there, choose Pages. If the interface shows a Pages section and then a Pages list, keep clicking until you're looking at the full list of your site's pages. Find the page you want to copy. Hover over it and open the More Options menu, which appears as a three-dot icon on the right. Click Duplicate. If WordPress asks you to confirm, click Duplicate again. In a moment, WordPress will create an identical copy and append copy to the title so you can spot it easily. You should see a success notice confirming the new page. For example, About copy successfully created. Click that notice to jump straight into the duplicated page. You're now editing the copy, not the original, which means you can safely make changes without affecting the page you started from. Before finishing up, take a moment to review what's about to be saved. Look for the prompt that says something like, Review 1 change. This shows you exactly what the editor is preparing to save, which is especially helpful if you're working in the site editor where changes can be grouped. If everything looks correct, click Save. Depending on your setup, the Save button may open a small panel first and then ask you to save again to confirm. Once you do, your duplicated page is committed to the site. From here, you can tailor the copy to its new purpose. Update the title, swap in fresh text and images, and adjust any internal links. Keep the layout you liked, but refresh the content to fit the new page's goal. If you plan to share the page publicly, remember that your navigation menu won't include it automatically. You can add it later from your menu settings. A few quick tips as you work. Watch the title so you can find the page easily. After saving,